So I got these wheels and tires out of storage, and I thought, the heck, I'm gonna put them on the 57. Then I thought, what do I do with 57 wheels? So I think I'm gonna put those on the Granada. I'm gonna take the Granada wheels, then I'll have to put the front ones of the Granada onto the 57, so that way the 57 has something, but the Torino still needs something to get on it, because those wheels and tires go flat all the time. So I'm still looking for wheels and tires for those, but I think I want to see what this is going to look like when this is done. This is the whole goal. I want to see what the Granada is going to look like. So let's see how this looks. Join me. Okay, so this is seriously stopping the video because I can't find the socket I just had to put those wheels on. It's an extension with a 3/4 inch socket that fits inside that wheel. I just had it. I stopped the video. I was like, oh, I need to go get a different piece. Oh, right in front of my eyes. There's the socket right down there. But the extension's still missing. I don't know where I did with the extension. I don't get it. All right, resume. Nice. 175. Good. As loose as those were, I really want to make sure that wheel seats on there properly. As much as I'm getting out of these things. No, I'm not torquing it to 175. £95. All right, see the other wheel? We'll move on. Getting the tires put on the back of the Granada. Kind of liking it. I think that I'm gonna have to get some shackle extensions and maybe extend that up a little bit. Get that rear end up in the air a little bit more. But I'll be honest, I'm just glad it's not hotter than flipping blazes out here. It's like 106 in the shade, it feels like. Well, I'll keep going. We'll get some pictures here in the end. Finished. And let's be honest, the Granada, it looks like dick. It looks terrible. I'm not finished though. I think we'll do some shackle extensions on the back, try and get this jacked up in the back, make it look a little more old school. I think that'll help. The 57, I'm digging it. I like the white walls. I think the torque thrust on the front really kind of gave it the old school look. And I think we're going to run it that way a little bit. I am having an overheating issue with it, so I can't get it out quite on the highway yet. I got to get that figured out, I think. But once I get that up and going, damn, it's a frickin' Ford fest here. This ain't right. Anyway, we'll keep playing with these, see what we think. Give me your feedback. Let me know what you think of each car.